Welcome back to my creative channel. In this video, I will reveal to you how I made wind power very simple. I will use the motor from a broken steam fan. We will have to take it apart to check the motor performance. I would remove the rotor shaft from the motor, then use a 12-volt battery to excite it. We need to use a wire to wrap around the rotor shaft. We will connect the two ends of the wire to the two poles of the 12-volt battery. Note, I only swiped the wire to the battery terminal. Don't hold it too long or it will explode. You see, it emits very strong sparks. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. I will use a small piece of iron to test the magnetic field of the rotor shaft I just excited. I will reinstall the rotor in the correct position. Next, we will assemble the motor together as tightly as possible. Note, thread the wire through the hole as before. We will use a hammer to tap on the motor cover to make it most secure. I will use a 12-volt LED bulb to test if the motor can generate electricity. First, I will connect the LED wire to the motor output. Next, I used a drill to activate the motor to rotate, then connected the remaining wire to the motor. So the LED is on, the motor is producing 12 volts. Now I'm going to use tape to wrap the unused wires together. Next, I used a long shaft to make the motor's rotation axis. We can use a welding machine to weld the shaft to the motor. Next, I used a bicycle rim to make the wind turbine blade ring. I will weld that bicycle rim to the motor shaft. Next, I used a plastic pot to make a wind catcher. Next, I used a plastic pot to make a wind catcher. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Next, I used a piece of wood to make a base for the wind generator. I used special glue to be able to fix the motor to the wooden base plate. 12 volts to 220 volts step-up circuit is what I will use for my machine. Use a soldering iron to connect the motor output to the circuit. Next, I will use a socket so that I can use electrical appliances easily. Connect the output wire of the circuit to the socket. Use a screwdriver to secure the cord tightly to the outlet. Make sure the outlet cover is firmly in place. So I have completed the wind generator. Now it is time to test its functionality. I'll take the machine to the roof. It's windy there. When the propeller of the machine rotates, I will use a fan to check the current of the generator. It seems that the motor has generated a pretty strong current. Next, I used another light bulb. It's amazing. It's amazing that with such a small motor, the amount of electricity it generates can run a fan and a light bulb at the same time. Don't you think it's amazing that I can recycle discarded items into such a wonderful and useful machine? If you like this idea, don't forget to give me a like and hit the notification bell to see the latest videos. Thank you very much.